Welcome to this electronics world. Today we'll learn about how to calibrate VNA for measuring S parameters. So you might have seen this is VNA and side one is the calibration kit, and this can be done within 1 minute also. That I'll tell the trick. Okay, let's start the videos. So coming to the VNA, it has 4 port P1, P2, P3, P4, and there are different options also there that will tell one by one. And this one is the calibration kit. It has having 5 numbers of pin, that is open, short, throw, match. So one by one will start, means it will start from open, then short, then match, then throw. After that the calibration will be over. So I will tell one by one. So coming to the VNA, so first of all we need to do the preset. That means it will be completely empty and it will start from starting point onwards. Then we'll press the start button, and at that time it will show the start frequency and stop frequency and center frequency. First of all we need to feed the start frequency as per our requirement. Then after complete the start frequency, then you will go for the stop frequency. So within the impedance bandwidth you need to feed the start and stop. Then center frequency it will automatically detect, so that will automatically calculate. So once it is over, then we'll go for the next step. That one is calibration. So cal means calibration. So here we will do the manually calibrate. That means start calibration, start calibrate manually. So here different options are there. So if we go for the 2 port, then we need to click TOSM, and there are different options that will learn one by one. So this one is for cable diameter, all these things. Port 1 and port 2 is selected. Then whenever you click that one, it will show port 1 and port 2. Then open short match. So open short match for P1 and P2, also open short match. That we need to do one by one. How to do? This is the cable. First we will connect the P1 cable, then P2 cables, like that. So whenever you will click the P1 cable, then we will go for open short match. Then second one will connect to the second port and then open short match. Then we will go for the through pin. That is the complete